Hello guys, welcome back to Crafty Cultured. In this video, I want to show you how to make a simple, natural, luxurious shower gel. These are the items I will need to make my homemade shower gel. I have castile soap. I have liquid coconut oil. I have glycerin, pure glycerin. I have raw honey. I have an essential oil, which I'm gonna use lavender, but you can use an essential oil of your choice. I have my dispenser bottle, and finally I have my measuring cups. So let's do it. Start by adding a third cup of raw honey. Raw honey is a natural body cleanser. And my honey is sticky, so I have to use a spoon to grab all the honey in my measuring cup. Then we add a third cup of melted coconut oil. This will leave your skin moisturized, and don't worry, it will not leave your skin oily. Now we're going to add 3/4 cup of castile soap. Remember, castile soap is made of pure vegetable oil, so no animal fat, which makes our soap natural. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of pure glycerin. But remember, glycerin is optional, but it helps to make your soap have the consistency. Then we're going to add 30 drops of essential oil. Remember, you can choose an essential oil of your choice, but I'm going with the lavender. Now we're going to stir our solution so that you can get the best, or it can get the required consistency for a soap. You can use a tablespoon to stir your solution. You can use a wooden spoon to stir your solution, but I'm gonna use a handheld mixer for the process to be a bit faster for the video. Now this is how our product look like. We have the right consistency. It's milky. Now we are going to use a funnel to pour into my dispenser bottle so that it can be ready for use. So make sure you're careful so that you don't spill the soap. Use a funnel. And now we have our own homemade, natural and very luxurious shower gel made of honey, coconut, glycerin, and essential oil of your choice. You can see the consistency, and I'm applying it on my hand, and it's so smooth. It smells nice, and now you know how to make your own homemade shower gel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I hope you liked the product we made. This is how our final product look like. I hope you try it out. Hit that like button. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Click the bell down there for notification of our new videos. And please guys, be safe.